Hi guys, here's the explanation for the memo for exercise 14.1 if there's anything that you didn't understand. Alright, so this was the first question that I gave you. It was a parallelogram. Okay, I know the area formula for parallelogram is base times height. So the base in this case would be 7, and the height, which is perpendicular to 7, is this line here, which is 5. So I just multiply those two to get 35 centimeters squared. The next one I gave you was a triangle. Okay, it is an obtuse angle triangle, so my height is sitting outside the triangle, that's fine. Okay, so you would still use that as the height. So your base would be 6, your height would be 4, so if I substitute that into my formula, I've got a half times 6 times 4, which will give me 12 centimeters squared. Then C was a trapezium. So I know that the trapezium formula looks like this. So I'm going to say half of my height, which is 5, multiplied by the sum of my two parallel sides. So B1 plus B2, so that's going to be 6 plus 11. So if I substitute all those values in, you can work that out to be equal to 42,5 centimeters squared. Alright, please do make sure that you're taking down corrections. Don't just put a tick or a cross. You need to write down the correct answer if you didn't get it, the whole working out and everything. Alright, then D. D was a kite. Okay, so you're looking at a formula that looks like this. A half times the one diagonal times the other diagonal. Okay, so I have one of the diagonals. That's this long dotted line here. So 12 plus 4. So the one diagonal is equal to 16. Problem is I don't have this short diagonal. Okay, so I need to work that out. How am I going to work that out? Okay, I'm going to use this triangle here to work out that line, x. Okay, I know that this here is a right angle triangle, okay, because that's 90 degrees, which means that needs to be 90 degrees, angles on a straight line, add up to 180. Alright, so the hypotenuse squared, so 5 squared, is equal to x squared plus 4 squared, reason Pythag. Okay, so 5 squared, that will give me 25, which is equal to 16 plus x. I need x by itself, so I'm going to take the 16 over the equal sign and subtract it. That will give me 9, and if I square root to find out what x is, I'm going to get x is equal to 3. Okay, so I know that the x is equal to 3, which means that that full diameter is equal to 3 plus 3, which is equal to 6. Okay, so my one diagonal is 6, my other diagonal is 16. If I substitute that into my formula, I'm going to get my answer, which is 48 centimeters squared. Okay, and then the last one, area is equal to a half base times height. My base is 11,2, my height is 3,8. Substitute that in and multiply everything, and I'm going to get 21,28 centimeters squared. Okay, hope that helps. If you have any questions, please ask. Don't be scared to ask. Okay, see you in the next video.